Hello students. In the previous videos we have discussed two important derivations, that is expression of phase voltages in terms of a symmetrical and vice versa. Next two derivations we have done which are of not so important, but just we have discussed what is the relationship between the phase and the line voltage in star system and phase and the line current in a delta system. We have observed that we have a j root 3 times of a relationship, and also we have discussed with the problems. We got minus j root 3 and j root 3 times of a relationship in the current as well as in the voltage, and these problems we have discussed. Now other important part is that, so in the power system the important element is a transformer. Suppose if the transformer is having on both the side same connection, either star star or delta delta, if same connection is there, then the voltages or the currents will not go through any shift. Suppose if the transformers are having a star and delta connection, one winding is star connection, other winding is delta connection, then there will go a phase shift of the components. So that we want to discuss here. Let us say that phase shift of a symmetrical components in star delta transformer back. Let us assume a one transformer, its primary winding is star connected, whereas its secondary winding is delta connected, and this transformer shifting will takes place depending upon the dot convention. So here we have a dot convention, and parallelly connected windings are magnetically coupled here. So let us observe in this figure 1a that star side quantities and we have a delta side quantities, and these two quantity relationship we want. Let us assume that on the star side we are applying only positive sequence voltage, that is negative and 0 we are neglecting, only we are applying here positive sequence voltage, that is VA1, VB1, VC1. How it will be converted into delta, that we want to discuss. So for referring for the figure 1a, we will have a vector diagram which is shown in the figure 2. We have applied a positive sequence voltage, we will be having only positive sequence current. So according to that, we will be having a vector diagram. We have taken reference VAB1, that is for your star side VAB1, that VAB1 is a voltage of a phase voltage, and along with that we will be having a line voltage also with respect to neutral VAN1, that is here this is a neutral here. So with respect to AN1 in the star side, so we have taken VAN1 and VAB, both will be same, hence we have taken in one line, only the magnitude will be difference. And similarly we have taken 120 degree apart VBC, 120 degree apart VCA. Along with that we have a VBN and also VCN. Now we want to draw the relationship between the delta side along with the star side. So delta side already we have done small letter VAB, VBC and VCE. If you draw the vector diagram taking with a 30 degree angle, we will get VAB1. So that is the star side voltage, and we can observe from the vector diagram that the delta side voltage is lagging by a star side voltage of an angle 30 degree, and it has a magnitude difference also. See, you can have VAB1 is having a small length, whereas capital VAB1 is having a larger length. So let us say that your capital VAB1 is given in terms of x times of VAB1, small VAB1 with an angle 30 degree. So similarly, capital VBC is equal to x times of VBC1 with an angle 30 degree. So here x times we are taking due to the length of the vectors. So similarly, capital VCA is given in terms of x times of small VCA1, small means delta side, with an angle 30 degree. This is for a positive sequence voltages for star delta transformer. So similarly, if we applied for a delta side quantity, suppose we are applying from here. So now if I applied for the delta side quantities, and the vector diagram we have taken, in the delta side quantities we are applying the negative sequence voltage. So we have drawn the negative sequence network here. So negative sequence network always will lead by angle. Here the angle will be leading by 30 degree. So we have taken VAB2 is leading by 30 degree with the capital VAB2, that is the star side. So similarly VBC2 is leading by capital VBC2 with an angle 30 degree, and here relationship will also remain same, that is capital VAB1 capital VAB2 is equal to x times of a VAB2 small with an angle minus 30 degree, because it will be leading here. So according to your previous discussion, the positive side quantities will lag, whereas negative side quantities will lead. So this along with these two diagrams, these two vector diagrams and these two diagrams, the explanation is given in the notes. You can also go through that. And this section is, this topic is very important. Previously two topics are important, that is expression of phase voltages, both the derivation. One more derivation is this. And next derivation is, we know now voltage and the current. The next part we are discuss about the power. So if you know the symmetrical voltage, symmetrical current, what will be the power we want to discuss here. So let us say, and this topic is also important one. So these two, either the phase shifting or they will ask on the power in terms of a symmetrical components. So let us say the total complex power is given by S, that is, let us say designate by S, is equal to P plus J times of Q, where P is a real power, where Q is a reactive power. So this can also be given in terms of a voltage and current. I have a three-phase voltages and they are having a different value. We have taken VA, VB and VC. So VA into IA conjugate, VB into IB conjugate, VC into IC conjugate. So now this I will be writing in terms of a vector form. So in the vector form we will be having this complex power is given in terms of min matrix form. This is a one matrix, VA, VB, VC in the row is multiplied with the column matrix of IA conjugate, IB conjugate and IC. If you multiply these two column and row vector, you will get this equation. Now separately we will solve this row and the column vector. Already I know VA, VB, VC is given by, so VA, VB, VC is a row vector. I have to convert it into the column. So to convert it, I will take a transpose. So transpose of this is given by VA, VB, VC. So I know VA, VB, VC is given by 1, 1, 1, 1 A square A, 1 A square, VA naught, VA1, VA2. So I have to make transpose of this. So transpose of this if you make, so VA naught, VA1, VA2, it is a column vector. So I have kept it as it is. And if I make this transpose, this 1, 1, 1 will go here. 1 A square A will be in the row, 1 A square will be in the row. So one more time I am telling, if you make transpose of this, 1, 1, 1 column will be remain as a row, 1 A square A will be remain as a 1 A square A, 1 A square will be taken as a 1 A square, as if it will remain as a same. Now we have a formula in the matrix that A matrix and B matrix total transpose is equal to B transpose and A transpose into A transpose. So if I take a B transpose, this I have kept as it is, B transpose, this vector I have taken, A transpose I have made already. So referring to this I have made this. Then similarly one more remaining vector is about current, IA, IB, IC. So let me take conjugate, whole conjugate of IA, IB, IC. So according to matrix, the conjugate of two matrix is given by A conjugate and B conjugate. So let me separate them, conjugate of this into conjugate of this. So if I make conjugate of this one, so I can have, so conjugate of 1, 1, 1 will remain as it is, conjugate of 1 as it is, conjugate of A square, we have a A, so we have kept it, conjugate of A will remain as a square, and conjugate of A will be A square and conjugate of A square will be A. Then conjugate of A, IA naught, IA1, IA2 will retain as it is. Now we will substitute that equation 2 and 3 in 1. So if you substitute the equation 2 and 3 in 1, so we have transpose of as it is VA naught, VA1, VA2, and this we have solved already into One more matrix of a current. So 1 1 1 1 a square 1 a square, it must be, just mistake it is, you take it as a square into a, then conjugate of ia naught ia1 ia2. So transpose of this column will maintain as a row. I have done it. Then if I multiply these two matrices, we will get it as a 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Multiply with respect to row with the column, row with the column, we will get these values. Then conjugate of ia naught, ia1, ia2 I will keep as it is. Then finally we will get the value as complex power is given by 3 times of va naught, ia naught conjugate plus va1, ia1 conjugate plus va2, ia2 conjugate. So these two derivations are of important. Phase shift of symmetrical components in star delta transformer and power in terms of a symmetrical components. These two derivation will be asked for 8 to 10 marks.